You guys have always seen me wearing too much of makeup in my videos, right? And many people ask me this question: doesn't too much makeup damage your skin, or won't it cause any skin issues? So today in this tutorial, I'm going to share what I do to take care of my skin every single day, especially after using makeup. A simple skincare ritual. This focuses on gentle exfoliation and deep hydration. These simple rituals help me to maintain my skin. So watch this video till the end and make notes, because I'm going to explain every single step and how to use them and their benefits. If you have a dry skin like mine, then this routine will definitely help you to better your skin as well. I have given these product details and the link below this video in the description. Do check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you would learn a lot more self makeup, skincare and product knowledge. Let's get to our Japanese skincare ritual. Matcha scrub. I have given the link below. Here is a first tip that you need to remember. Whenever you use this particular product, they claim that it will reduce the blackheads, whiteheads and give you a very clearer skin. Yes, of course, this is a scrub. So whenever you use this scrub, please understand, do not apply this scrub on top of a makeup, or even if you go out in a pollution and you've come back, at least wash your face, rinse your face with a plain water and use a mild face wash, and then use the scrub. When I used it for the first time, this is my second time, I was able to see 50% of reduction on top of my nose, all the blackheads. But that was very impressive in the first go. And on the top of the tube, they have mentioned this scrub is usable every single day, so you can use this every day. It's for daily use and all type of skin. The most important part that I really love about this is this doesn't have any, the scrub particles generally you get in any other brand. This is very smooth, very soft. You have to do it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, or you can scrub it for 5 minutes
thoroughly.
I'm not going to use it every single day, so I have decided using alternate days. So you have to use it on a wet face and scrub it in a circular motion. Never leave your neck. You need to remove your dead cells once in a while. Scrub your face. So this Clayco mask removes the dead skin and gently exfoliates. The matcha enzyme and natural fruit extracts help to remove dead cells, skin without harsh physical scrub that you usually find in any other brands. It's a deep pore cleansing. So if you have open pores, clogged pores, or any dirt or oil buildup, and that gives your skin looking very dull or less life, this will help to remove and clean and give you a smoother finish. It improves your skin texture and helps to make the rough or dull skin looking very soft or more even. And who should use it? All skin types, extremely sensitive skin as well. If you have dull or uneven skin tone, oil or combination skin, if you have a lot of blackheads, whiteheads issue, you can use this. That's about it. Go over the lip corners. Generally, these are the areas you will have darkness around the nose, around the eyes and the cheeks, and definitely on the neck. Great. So I have done my scrub. This is very gentle, very mild on your skin, so you will not find any rashes or redness onto the skin. So let's go ahead and wash it off and follow the next step. So I'm back with my cleansed face. So here is a next step. Immediately after I apply, after I rinse it off with this matcha scrub, here is the next process, and you can use it every single day. This is rice and sake sleeping mask. So I'm doing actually this video in the night after my makeup is done. So I've removed my makeup thoroughly and then used a scrub, and now applying this particular mask onto my face and leaving it overnight. And I do have a lot of discolorations and pigmentations. So here I'm majorly looking for hydration because my skin is very dry. And let's look into the benefits of this. I'm going with a very thick coat. It hydrates deeply overnight. It has hyaluronic acid, glycerin, rice extract, help pull moisturizer into the skin. If you have very dull, dry skin, you must try this. It brightens and gives even tone. This is made with fermented rice, so it has rich in antioxidants and amino acids. It gives you a glass skin finish, luminous look by morning. It calms and nourishes your skin, reduces irritations and any tired skin or tired looking skin. If you have dullness and pigmentation, it fades away because this has vitamin C and fermented extracts that helps the faded dark spots get over time. So who should use it? Dry or dehydrated skin, dull complexion, or all type skins. Especially if you have oily skin, you can use it, but if you're only extremely oily, apply only thin layer to avoid the heaviness. There is a very slight burning, very slight, okay, not all over the face, just in few places. It could be because my skin is very dry and I've just now scrubbed my skin. I'm going over full neck. I never leave my neck area. The only reason is, see if there is any slight change from your skin to the neck, and that is very evidently visible. So that's the only reason I do take care of the neck as well, so that it should look very similar to the skin that I have on my face. It's done. I've applied all over the face, and if you're looking for all these in one product, then you must try this. The link is below. Do check it out and let me know how your skin feels. So Clayco is a brand inspired by Japanese beauty philosophy. Minimal, consistent daily routine, nourishment, hydration, radiant skin from within, and their natural traditional ingredients are all in matcha, sake, rice, and botanical extracts. So Japanese skincare often uses lightweight yet effective layers that nourishes deeply overnight, unlike heavy creams that just sits on top of the skin. The tradition always focuses on consistency over complexity, layering lightweight hydrating products using fermented and botanical ingredients like sake, rice, green tea, matcha. This is it, guys. This is a very simple, easy, light on skin and very effective method that I follow for my skincare. This is a secret behind my healthy skin even after doing makeup almost every single day. Remember, makeup doesn't damage your skin. Improper skincare does. If you want glowy and healthy skin, focus on gentle exfoliation rather than harsh scrubs. Always opt for good hydration. The product details are in the description. Do check them out. And if you also want more makeup and skincare tips, don't forget to subscribe and follow Self Makeup Mastery. See you next Friday with a makeup look. Bye bye.